If you've got a busy household with kids and pets, then I'm sure you feel Kirsty's pain. Kirsty, what would you normally find on your floor on a day-to-day basis?
Everything. I've got pets, I've got 3 kids, boys, so there's a lot of mud and football coming in from out there, footy play. But spills, kitchen spills, hate them. Weetabix, porridge.
Well, the FC5 is actually perfect for cleaning all those things up: mud, spills, porridge, all that sort of stuff. So today I'm going to let you challenge us in Kärcher with the FC5 and what can we find on the floors in your house.
Okay.
So to set up the Kärcher FC5, what we've got here is we've got the universal cleaner. So basically what you need is you need half a cap to a capful of this, which I'll do now, and put it into the clean water tank. So, or half a cap to a capful into the detergent lid bottle, and you take off this front tank here, it pops off, and basically you pop this part open, fill that with water, and then add in your capful of detergent. Very simple, very easy, and it's a concentrate, so you don't actually have to put a lot of the detergent in there, which is always a bonus.
Yeah. Did you fill that up right to the top?
Correct, so there is a max level on the back here,
Yeah.
which says how high you can fill the water to. And again, that sort of allows you to constantly use fresh water when you're cleaning. So just as simple as that, ready to go with the detergent and the water. Basically pull it off the stand here, and then away you go. So you can see here we've got porridge and yogurt, milk, all that sort of stuff on the floor. So basically just press the power button, turn itself on. As you can see, drive itself forward and clean water that up as well. So very simple, very lightweight. Would you like it to go?
Yes, give it a touchy. Oh, look what you've done.
So as you can see, we've got some mud and dirt that's been dragged through with the footy boots, and I'll let you have a go at it and try to clean it with the FC5.
Okay, this is my big piece.